All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Well, what is today? Thursday. Looks like the stock market is down a little today. Where's my mouse? Here we go. Down 221 points. But the Dow is sitting at 24,000. Remember where the low was? It was down at like 18,000. So we've rebounded quite a bit from our lows. But it's still volatile. It's up one day, it's down the next day. So um, you've got to be careful. Now, Amazon, look at that, just keeps plugging away. Look at this stock right here. It's called Berkshire Hathaway. It sells at $283,000 per share. Yeah, this is Warren Buffett's company. If you don't know anything about it, research it. The dude is a freaking genius. Genius is the only word that I can use. They call him the Oracle of Omaha because he lives in Omaha, Nebraska. Anyway, so the market is doing what it does. Today, what are you guys going to be working on? Well, the reason I was showing the market is one of the things they're going to talk about today is a saving with an app. They have these apps where it will round up. So say you go to the store and you buy something and it's $2.48. It will take the 52 cents to round it up and it'll put that into your account. So it helps you to save little itty bitty chunks. One of them is this company called Acorns. They actually came into our class a couple of years ago and they were presenting information to my students. They're local, they're in Newport Beach, but there's a few different companies that do this, and the basic concept is taking your spare change right here, invest your spare change, and grow from there. So if you can't find, $1,000 to invest in something, well, maybe you could start using Acorns to start slowly building up some money to invest. All right. So next, you will be looking at the power of compound interest. There's simple interest and there's compound interest. Trust me, you want compound interest. Basically, you're getting interest on your interest. But you're going to click on this video right here. It's a short video where it's going to explain compound interest to you. Lastly, the second worksheet is called Calculate How to Save. So they give you an example here of a kid that wants to buy a computer. Say he gets it for $400. So it's basically coming up with a plan, right? I want to buy something. How do I get there? First, finding out what is it going to cost you. Then when you want to buy it, and then you just divide the two. So I need to save $44 a month. Break that down into weeks, $11 a week. Break it down into days. I'm down to $1.59 a day. Seems a lot more doable when you look at it that way, right? So what you're going to do is you're actually going to choose something that you would like to purchase, a medium or a long-term savings goal, and then you're going to do some research, figure out what it costs, how soon do you want to buy it, what's your time frame, and then you're going to figure out how you can save the money to get that particular item. I know it seems basic, but this will help you guys just kind of break down the process into simple steps. All right. Shouldn't take too long, ladies and gents. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me at any time. All right, ladies and gents, good luck.